History of trigonometry and mathematicians. Number 1. History of trigonometry. Etymology. The word trigonometry comes from the Greek words trigonon, which means triangle, and metria, which means to measure. The term trigonometry was first invented by the German mathematician Bartholomeus Pitiscus in his work Trigonometria sive the dimension triangulae, and first published in 1595. Definition. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the properties and applications of ratios associated with angles. Kinds. A. Plane trigonometry. It studies the properties of triangles in a plane and is two-dimensional. B. Spherical trigonometry. It is concerned with the relations that exist among the sides and angles of spherical triangle. History. It began as a branch of geometry and was utilized extensively by early Greek mathematicians to determine unknown distances. The most notable examples are the use by Aristarchus to determine the distance to the moon and sun, and by Eratosthenes to calculate the Earth's circumference. The general principles of trigonometry were formulated by the Greek astronomer Hipparchus, who is generally credited as the founder of trigonometry. His ideas were worked out by Ptolemy of Alexandria, who used them to develop the influential Ptolemaic theory of astronomy. Much of the information we know about the work of Hipparchus and Ptolemy comes from Ptolemy's compendium, the Almagest, written around 150. 2. Mathematicians. Hipparchus. Hipparchus was a Greek astronomer who lived between 190 to 120 BC. He is considered the father of trigonometry. Pythagoras. He is often described as the first pure mathematician. He formalized the Pythagorean theorem. Euclid. He was also known as Euclid of Alexandria. He was a Greek mathematician and is often referred to as the father of geometry. His Elements is the most successful textbook and one of the most influential works in the history of mathematics. Ptolemy. Ptolemy was the author of several scientific treatises, 3 of which would be of continuing importance to later Islamic and European science. The first is an astronomical treatise now known as the Almagest. The second is the Geography, which is a thorough discussion of the geographic knowledge of the Greco-Roman world. The third is the astrological treatise known as the Tetrabiblos. Menelaus. The theorem of Menelaus says that given any line that traverses the 3 sides of a triangle, 6 segments are cut off on the sides. The product of 3 non-adjacent segments is equal to the product of the 3